Hello, Andy here, and thanks for joining me on this YouTube search video. I hope this video will allow you to get more benefit out of my videos because you find the topic that you're having issues with far quicker. But for those of you that are new to YouTube, I'll just give you the general rundown. So on the home page, there's just a few sections there, and I'm on a very slow connection because I'm away from home at the moment, so I'm on a mobile connection. So that gives you something to click on if you're just generally browsing. If then you want to look at all the videos, you can click on the video button and they will appear in date order. And you can see that my thumbnails, there's none of this. Click on my thumbnail because I want you to view my video. I don't do that. This is an educational channel and I try to make the thumbnails basic, telling you what the video is about in a few words. And if that flicks your switch, hopefully you'll click on it. Let me know if you like my thumbnails or you think they could do with improvement. Say I'm happy to listen to any comments because every day is the learning curve. So that will list all the videos in date order, the way they were uploaded. Now, most of them are also in number order. You can see I put a number in the middle of the video to help you, but you can see these two were not uploaded sequentially like they were because sometimes I have videos stacked up and I release them out of order instead of making the new thumbnail titles. Shorts, yeah, if you want to watch shorts, I do a few shorts now and again. They're very easy to produce. Generally, I just use my mobile phone, take an under 3-minute video, put a little bit of text on there and upload it. Playlists, that helps you find the video that you're looking for. So if you're a B1 user, just click on that playlist. It will take you to 8 videos purely on B1. If you're a LightBurn learner, there's 18 videos in that sub library that will tell you only LightBurn videos. Posts, I tried to do a few posts, but yeah, I didn't get any replies, so I'm not doing those anymore. Felt that was a waste of time. However, what's the meat of this video? Stop waffling, Andy. They haven't come to learn how to use YouTube. They all know about that. It's this search item here, the little magnifying glass. Okay, so you know I've got 111 videos. I've got 1,450 subscribers. Now you could alter that figure by smashing this button here and turning on the notification bell. That way you'll get notified when I upload my next video. I'm quite happy with you watching my videos, liking them and drop a comment. Now if you drop a comment, I do answer them very quickly. I do log on 2 or 3 times a day if I've got the time, and I always answer every single question. But this is the thing I want to show you about today, magnifying glass. Let's do an easy one. Let's do B1. So I'm going to type in B1, and that should only bring up videos. Look, I've dropped my connection. I told you I was on a mobile connection. That's no way to make a video, is it? Right, there you go. So I've got a connection now. So I made sure I was on the video tab, typed in B1, and it's listed all my B1 videos. Now let's type in air assist. I've got quite a few of those. Okay, we finally got there. So there you go. It's listing videos that either has air assist in the main title, air assist in the 2 lines underneath. I need to update this one because that's probably a short video. It will list anywhere that it finds air assist. Even in the description of the video, it will pop up that video in this search list that you just typed for. Now there's 2 videos with some strange words. Tin foil. So let me just try tin. Now when I assembled my Array 5 frame, I couldn't get it square. So yes, tin. I'll explain that one in a minute. So I disassembled the frame and I used some tin foil just to make the frame nice and square. Now this one was making sure your gantry is square. And look, you can just see in the thumbnail playing there, tins of soup. So in that description, there's the word tin because I typed in the description tins of soup. And that just shows you how to square your gantry up if you haven't used that one. Now, just to prove that it does work, yesterday I typed in fast car, one word I think it was. There you go. So I typed in the description that word in this video, and this is the fine focus system for the Ray 5 for the 20 and 30 watt. And if we look down here, there's the word fast car, which I just put in there to test how quickly YouTube was scanning the pages. So I now need to log back in and delete that. And I am working on, now that I know YouTube uses the whole description box, I am going through my videos slowly, adding in new keywords. Let me just stop this. Adding in new keywords to allow you to use the magnifying glass to get more benefit from the video. Anyway, what else can I tell you? Yes, I've got a website if you don't know. So I have a website called Flixmyswitch. If we go over to that, excuse the basic layout. I am just playing with this header and I've been struggling with layout and CSS coding. Now I've made this menu and again I'm struggling with getting it to change colors when I hover over it. I'm not a web page developer, but I'm having a go. But what I want to show you is this front page just tells you what the website is all about. So it tells you up here, laser diodes, blah, 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 blah. There's some videos here to click on. So LightBurn, we all know what that is. I do 3D printing, obviously laser diodes. Arduino is the programming environment I use to program these ESP8266 and ESP32 computer chips to make real-time clocks, flashing lights, a desk clock using matrix displays. It's a whole other ball game. But what I wanted to show you today was under laser diodes, I'm adding sections in. So I've just started adding one about diode laser cleaning. Again, here we go. My connection's not too bad. So this is just my first draft of it, although it is live. I want to be able to type more about the important things in owning a laser diode. So obviously cleaning is a very important one. So let's go back. The other one was speed and power. I'm not sure there's anything in that one. I can't remember. No, yeah, page under construction. But the one I want to guide you to is the YouTube videos. And again, it's all searchable. And you do have, I've only uploaded 64 videos at the moment because it's a little bit time consuming to do. But if you click on the play button, it will start playing in the small window. Again, excuse my slow connection. And then if you click on the YouTube, it will open it in YouTube so you can view it full screen. So it's an excellent way to preview the video before you open it in YouTube. What do you think? I'm getting there. And it gives you all, and it will work quicker than this. It's just that, say, I'm on a mobile connection at the moment, so it's rendering really slowly. It gives you all the thumbnails. It gives you the same title. And I've typed in a brief description of that video. And what I want to do is review all my videos and change or add keywords into this description, and that will allow you to find them easier. Now you can search a web page and it tells you up here how to do that. Now I'm on a Windows machine, so I'm going to click on the page, do Control F, and it brings up this black box at the top. Let me type in the word tin, see what comes up from that. Now that's brought up lots of because it's cutting. Right, tin foil, one word. Let's note tin foil. Okay, there you are. Tin foil. So that was the laser I searched for on YouTube, and it brings up the installation assembly video of the Ray 5. Now I don't think fast car won't be on there because I haven't added that on there. If I do air, it will bring up all the air assist videos, and it's telling you it's found the word air 39 times. And if you use the up and down arrows, you can quickly click through them. Now on this video, it shows air has come up 3 times. So every time you click, it will go down to the next one. You can see it's changing color. But say that is a way to search this web page for the word. Now, The other thing I'm hoping this web page will do is generate some generic clicks, so people finding all about diode lasers via a Google search rather than just searching within YouTube. So I will be expanding this site as and when I get time, and I will be making more headings under this diode section. Anyway, the meat of this video is the power of the search within YouTube, because it does do quite a good job, and it does find keywords that I add in. Like yesterday, added in fast car, and it's now finding the word fast car. So let me know what you think. Let me know about my thumbnails. Do you think they're clear enough? Could I make them better? Do you like the descriptions? Let me know, because it's no good me continuing doing something that you don't find interesting, or you think there's a better way of you extracting information out of the videos. Anyway, that's Andy, as ever, wishing you a great afternoon. Continue to make that safe, happy smoke, and perhaps you'll join me in my next video. Cheers for now.